Prepare to love wash day with RevAir. Here's a quick guide to make sure you get amazing results every time. And I've added a helpful little acronym for RevAir to make sure you don't miss a single step. First, ready your hair. Starting with freshly washed, conditioned, and detangled hair is the foundation for a great Rev session. Next, evenly section. Divide your hair into sections not too big and not too small. Roughly 3 fingers wide for each section is recommended. V is for very minimal product. Apply only a light heat protectant to sections or a leave-in if needed. Now it's time to adjust settings. On the wand, choose your heat setting. Level 1 can be used to gently elongate curls, while level 2 is great for a smoother, more stretched finish. And the no heat cool shot setting is a great last step to seal and shine. On the base, choose your tension setting. For curly hair, start with a lower setting like a 2 or 3 and gradually increase it until you find your ideal setting. And now it's time to insert your hair into the wand. This is where the magic happens. The RevAir is drying and stretching your hair in one easy step. All you have to do is gently dab the wand around your scalp to make sure that the heat is distributed evenly. And I know it's tempting, but resist the urge to pump the wand, as this could disrupt airflow. Remember, dab, don't pump. Rev for around 60 to 90 seconds, checking your roots every so often for dampness. If damp, continue until they are completely dry. Lastly, remove your hair from the wand and relish in the magic that is RevAir. Then repeat for each section until finished. Doing a happy dance at the end is completely optional, but always encouraged. And that's how you make wash day fun and easy with RevAir.